cardiologist about enzymes.
A traffic stop turned deadly as two sheriff's deputies are killed in South Missouri. Tonight, the manhunt that ensued and the memorials have to.
Hi, Professor Kazarowski here. And to make things a little bit easier, I go by Professor K. I wanted to take this opportunity to welcome you to the March 2026 session of CEIS298. That's the Introduction to Technical Project Management. First off, before we get started in the class, let me tell you a little bit more about myself that was not in my announcement post that I provided. I used to be an avid runner and cyclist. I've completed, let's see, 3 marathons, 2 half marathons, and countless 5, 10, and 15K runs. And I've also completed a 100-mile bike ride. While I didn't set any speed records, I always managed to finish. I've been in a hot air balloon ride twice, and it is one of the most amazing feelings to be moving without any sound. I want you to know that I'm here to assist you in being successful in this class. That doesn't mean I'm going to do the work for you, but I will work with you and help you as needed as we progress through this class. I've already sent out announcements regarding the time slots for the weekly live Engagely sessions, as well as the weekly homework huddle help sessions. Please make sure that you get these time slots entered into your calendars so that you can avoid forgetting about them and missing out on opportunities to participate in the weekly sessions. If you're not able to attend the weekly sessions, they'll be recorded so that you can review them at any time. This class, this term, is being taught in what is referred to as a team teach format. What this means is that there are a number of professors that are teaching this same class, just in different sections for this term. Each week at the live lesson, a different professor will be presenting the material for that week. Also, each professor is available during their time slot for their week for their homework huddle help session. This gives you the opportunity to attend whichever session works for you in your schedule. The homework help sessions typically are not recorded unless the professor feels that there's additional information that should be made available to all the students. You can attend one session or multiple sessions. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. Whatever works better for your schedule and helps you to be successful in this course. This course will require you to use Microsoft Project to complete the 3 projects that are due this term. Please understand this. You do not need to worry about installing Microsoft Project on your own computer, as you will use the DeVry desktop feature that is available in the menu selection within Canvas within this course. Now, there are help tutorials in Canvas, and I'll be providing a little video tutorial on how to use the DeVry desktop. The DeVry desktop is a virtual desktop that will allow you to run a Microsoft desktop on one of the cloud servers at DeVry, and from within that desktop, you'll be able to access not only Microsoft Project, but you can access anything that you need to for this or any other class. All of the software that you will need is already preloaded on here, including all of Microsoft Office and, of course, Microsoft Project. Now, while you most certainly can be successful in this class without attending the live lessons, if you do that, you're going to miss out on opportunities to be engaged in information that's going to be presented in addition to what you will learn or see in the course material. Each professor tries to provide examples of actual situations where having the knowledge from this course would be beneficial. In addition, the professors will be going through the steps for completing the weekly projects in MS Project. Again, as always, all weekly live lessons will be recorded so that you can view them if you cannot attend the live lesson. I also want to tell you that project management is a career in itself, but it is also an integral part of most any other technical career, technical position, or tasks or things that you're going to be involved in, because most things within IT are run through projects, unless they're simple break fix, simple add moves or changes or things like that. But most everything else is run as a project. And so understanding the concepts in this class, one, will be very helpful no matter what path you take in your academic studies and whatever you do as either advancements in your current career or changing your career. But I also want you to know that there is an entire career path for simply being a project manager. And we'll discuss more of this during some of the weekly live lessons. And of course, I think it's in week 7, we discuss career opportunities and things that you should know about this field, in particular, how it applies to the technology industry and careers and such. Once again, I want to welcome you to this March 2026 term of CEIS298 and look forward to spending time together with you over the next 8 weeks. Thank you.